Good day, everyone. My task is to make a firewall for a movie. This is my plan so that people can understand what I'm trying to do, because it's not easy to elaborate with my hands and voice. So I've done some CAD drawings here, and I'll go through what I'm trying to make. These are 8-foot cedar, 3/4 inch thick, 4-inch wide fence boards. I like these because they're not smooth, and we can apply petroleum jelly to these, and it'll stick better than if it was a smooth 2x4. I would put these on a frame of 4x4s. So here's one side, here's the top frame, and vertical section that you can't quite see right here, and then a bottom piece right here. There. That's what I want to show. The frame would have pins, and I'll zoom in here so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. These pins right here into the frame so that we can hang it on a frame. I did some math, and the cost to make each one of these is roughly $200. That's all the wood, the frame, and the second side. We need a lot of air to get in here, and you can see you can kind of see through it, but I'm going to offset the back side so it would look more like this. Yeah, okay, let's see if I can. Use the hand here. Okay, this is the burner right here, and we'll insert it in, and the flames would come off the burner to the top. It would ignite the petroleum jelly that will be on the boards here, and we should have a wall of fire. The fire from the burner will come up about 3 feet, and then the wood would contribute, and it would likely go to the top of this. Now, given some time, you'll get fire up and over the top. All right, I've described the firewall. Now the frame would sit on the ground. It's made of 4x4s, and it's about 12 feet tall. And this is so that we can take out one of these panels, slide the burner out, and put another wall section in. That is in case we char the first one to the point where we can't use it anymore, and the director still wants to shoot some additional scenes. So I'm suggesting that we put 2 wall sections together, and they would hang with pins onto this frame. This is a view of the setting, or the site where we will be filming. This is the back of the barn. I'm going to try to move things so that it's pretty clear what's going on here. Let me oh, that didn't work. All right. This is the trail. This is the berm that is at the beginning of the trail. This is a photograph of one of the crew, and I have the firewall in there. Let me adjust some things here. I'm going to take the canvas out. So here we see the firewall. Now what I'll do is I'll move it because it would probably be higher up. Something like this. And then let's bring in the so that gives you an idea of and I'll rotate it around here. So we have good safe distance between the firewall and the shop and the firewall and the trees. I'll do a top view here. This box I think is where I thought the camera would be, or there was an obstruction there, a stump or something there. And then this is the tree that we have to shoot around. This is the berm in the land. This area right here between here and the berm and over the berm is where the actors will be, and that's where this picture is superimposed. The background is actually the Google Earth image, and I superimposed and built a small barn on top of that. So this is to help clarify where the firewall will be, how it will be in relation to the barn, how it will be positioned as a backdrop for the actors to work, and room for the actors to work to walk down the trail.